to talk to you guys. This is sort of an interesting one. I feel like some people cover, some don't. Some people who do cover it wrong, some of them cover it right. It's the topic of, is motovlogging worth it? Let's think about it. What is motovlogging? Basically vlogging once you're on a bike. Portmanteau of motorcycle vlogging. Typically done by putting a mic in your helmet or an external audio recorder and having a camera like this GoPro. Some people have drift, some people have Sony, some people have knockoffs. Pretty much anyone can motovlog with any camera so long as they can accept a mic. So what I mean by worth it is, let's say you want to start YouTube, maybe you're unemployed and on universal credit or benefits or whatever, and you want something to pass the time and perhaps get you a little bit extra moolah. It's incredibly rare that you're going to make it. I'm sorry to say it, but considering that I've been on YouTube for nearly a decade at this point, and I've seen so many channels rise and fall, and especially fall, it's incredibly rare to get that channel that hits 10k, that even hits 1,000. Like for example, Arabian Riders only recently hit 10k, and he's been doing bike stuff for about the past 4 years, if not longer. If you're doing it like me because you just enjoy doing it, you enjoy making content about bikes, absolutely it's worth it. Like, I love seeing your guys' reactions, I love reading your comments, replying to them. I love seeing a notification when I have someone else who's interested in nothing but bullshit to watch me. I don't care about stats. I don't at all. If you care about the stats, pretty much you're doomed. Unless you become incredibly clickbait YouTuber or a controversial one that gets clicks because offensive. Not as in like a Filthy Frank or Highdubs way, as in like, you know, people like fucking J Station who will make the classic using a Ouija board at 3 AM XXX Tentacion reply, or like using the Ouija board at 3 AM OMG Etika reply. Fucking scumbags. Rest in peace, Etika, by the way. Joy-Con boys for life. If you're doing it for enjoyment, absolutely it's going to be worth it, because so long as you keep your stuff interesting and you enjoy making it, people are going to enjoy watching it. Like, I wouldn't have stuck around for the year I've been doing bike stuff. If I didn't enjoy doing it and I didn't enjoy seeing your guys' reactions. I'm being honest here, like, I would absolutely never do content that I don't enjoy doing. You need to be passionate about what you do, because otherwise you're just going to hate yourself. You're going to hate everything that you do. You're going to be hating basically everything that's part of in regards to what you do. So for example, I used to do fucking Minecraft and Nerf videos. If you've been subbed that long, I fucking admire you, but yeah, I started off doing Nerf, Minecraft and even a little bit of Lego. This was when I was about 10, 11, and man, I loved doing it. I was shite at it, I got bullied for it, but hey, I really fucking enjoyed doing it. But if you're doing it for money, probably not, no. Chase on two wheels, Yummy, all those sorts of people, the famous vloggers, famous and massive that's a quotation mark, basically dick suckers for bad companies like Rourke and Icon, who when they see that moolah, they throw all their logic and reasoning away. Anyway, I get political. They're 1 in a million chance. Obviously, yeah, if you want to take that chance, go ahead. But I don't think it's worth it, man. It's like, for my channel, 130 subs, I can't get paid. Companies aren't going to work with me. I put out more money than I should have at this point, but I enjoy doing it. That's why I keep doing it. Okay, let's talk about investments with motovlogging. So let's say you get the latest gen GoPro, right? That's probably about 300 quid. And then if you don't have a helmet already that can be used for motovlogging, that could be another 150, 200, maybe even 300 quid out of pocket. And then buying the adapter, which is about 50 quid, and then buying a mic. And sort of the best quality mic that I've found is the Purple Panda, which is what iCal got for me. Blessings for you, man. Thank you so much for it. Realistically, the most you're probably going to get is a couple quid out of YouTube, unless you're as much of a dick sucker as Yamaha Chase on 2 wheels are. Then maybe you'll get a chance, you know. But most of the time you're going to be spending about 50,000 times more than what you'd ever get from YouTube. But if you love doing it, you want to do it, enjoy doing it, do it. I'm not going to police, you know, what you should and shouldn't do, because I'm also about following Teapot Woman's mantra: live your life. Just be careful about it, and especially if you start motovlogging, don't get distracted. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I apologise that this is probably going to be a short video, not best quality, but hey ho. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I'd be more than happy to take you aboard. I don't care who you are, even if you hate my fucking guts for whatever reason, I am more than happy to welcome you aboard. Have a good rest of your day, guys, or good evening, good night, good morning, whatever the fuck. I'll catch you later.